When searching an electronic database, even Google, it is important to think carefully about the words you plan to use in your search. When developing an electronic search, think in terms of the main idea or concepts you're looking for. It is important to remember to avoid, if possible, searching under a single word or even under a short phrase. Here is an example of why we want to avoid these types of searches. We will do a quick search in one of our library databases, Academic Search Complete. Let's search under the term Medicaid. Look at our results. Over 20,000 articles are retrieved, and they are on many aspects of Medicaid. For example, here is an article on a Medicaid tobacco cessation program, followed by an article on Medicaid dental care for children. Now let's look under the term Medicaid fraud. Adding another term to the search helps, but we still retrieved over 400 articles. Another rule is don't use too many words, or the wrong words or misspelled words in your search, or it might be too specific. For example, let's search under the term avoiding Medicaid fraud. When we do, only 2 articles are retrieved because we are either being too specific in the words we used or because we're using the wrong combination of words. Another very important rule is, where appropriate, use the Boolean connectors and, or, and sometimes not, to combine search terms and phrases. Here is an example of how to use Boolean connectors. Let's go back to our search Medicaid fraud, where we retrieved over 400 articles. Notice that the search screen prompts you to add additional words and phrases in the different boxes. Notice that these boxes are automatically connected with the Boolean AND. Why don't we search for Medicaid fraud and AND it with the term law and legislation, so that we can locate only those articles? Now we've retrieved around 200 articles, much better than 400. What about the Boolean OR? How is this used? What if we wanted to locate articles not only on Medicaid fraud, but also on Medicare fraud and law and legislation? We can use the Boolean OR to do this. But now we've retrieved over 700 articles. Let's say we want to research this topic, but don't want to use those articles that have to do with fraud concerning medical equipment. Then we will use the Boolean connector NOT to eliminate that concept from the search. Now we have 690 articles. Warning: use the Boolean NOT sparingly. It is possible to inadvertently eliminate material that might be relevant. This chart shows the effect of the Boolean connector AND. Remember, using the Boolean AND limits search results, and that's a good thing. This chart shows the effect of the Boolean OR, which expands search results. So let's review what we know about searching in a database. Think of your topic in terms of main ideas and concepts. Be open to variations of the main concept. Don't search under single terms or short phrases. You will retrieve too many results. Don't search with too many terms or with whole questions or sentences. That will make the search too specific. You will almost always have to use the Boolean connector AND when searching an electronic database, which will limit your search results to the main ideas you are researching. You may need to use the Boolean OR, especially if you are looking to expand search results or need to search variations of a term. Example, teen or teens or teenagers or adolescent. For more information on developing a search topic, on Boolean connectors and library databases, you may want to watch these short tutorials on the H.I.T. LibGuide.